Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2020 Toyota Camry LE with 98,000 miles. This is a really nice mid-size sedan with a clean Carfax report, so no accident history. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So this Camry definitely has a nice exterior silver finish. Definitely a popular color. It's in great condition, no fading from the sun. Just minor blemishes or scratches as you would expect from normal wear and tear, but overall no major dents, no rust or corrosion. Again, no accident history as we mentioned. Comes with all the standard features you'd expect from the LE. It's got a backup camera, some nice chrome features. Just really nice inside and out, very well taken care of, very well maintained. Here's a quick view of the driver's side. You can see the upholstery is in good condition, no rips or tears. Headliner looks good as well. Nice big center console there with charging ports, big touchscreen display. Comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Has some nice safety features too, collision avoidance, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control. You can see the carpets are clean. We've actually just ordered mats for the vehicle along with the cargo mat, so those should be in the vehicle here pretty soon. Quick shot of the second row. Again, clean upholstery, no cigarette burns, no smoky smell at all in this vehicle, no pet hair or pet odor. Again, just very clean inside and out. Here's a quick view under the hood. You can see it's very clean, no rust or corrosion. Runs nice and smooth. It's got the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Definitely a gas saver, but again, just runs nice and smooth, no problems at all mechanically. Great set of wheels and tires on this Camry as well. It's got the 17-inch alloy wheels. All four are in good condition, just some minor scratches, a little bit of curb rash on a couple of the rims, but again, nothing major. Two brand new tires here on the front, and then two tires on the back that are Michelin's that are right around maybe 50 to 60%. So again, overall, still plenty of life left, nice and smooth on the road. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2020 Toyota Camry LE with 98,000 miles. As we mentioned, it's got a clean Carfax report, so no accident history. Lots of great features inside and out. Definitely an above average condition for a Toyota Camry this year model. We encourage you to check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures, along with, of course, the rest of the inventory that we have here at our dealership. And then feel free to give us a call at 252-567-3885 if you'd like to schedule a test drive, or if you have any questions, including about financing. We have some new options available that we're glad to discuss with you. Have a great day.